101.1 Smartfm, the spirit of Indonesia. So now, give it applause now. Yeah, so we have an English program, namely English discussion from English communities. So there are 4 here from English communities. Perhaps before we try to discuss about the topic, because the topic today is people come and go. Okay, perhaps we need to introduce one by one. Start from my left side first. Okay, start from you. Okay, this is your mic. Okay, time is yours.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, introduce myself. My name is Andi Agi Omfani Baskar. You can call me Agi, and I'm from BPEC, Bentem Payua English Club Makassar. And then BPEC, we have 2 schedule. The first schedule is Lovely Sunday meeting. Our place meeting is Fort Rotterdam.
Okay.
And BPEC, we always discuss sometimes about problem of teenager, digital age, and then many much. And then Lovely Sunday meeting, we have many agenda, such as agenda is ice breaking, building skill, and small group, debate discussion, and suggestion and announcement.
Is that available for everyone? Everyone could enter that English communities?
Yes.
Oh, I see.
And then after meeting, we always to think about TOEFL for team of BPEC.
Okay.
And then second schedule is LVM. LVM, our meeting place is Plantara Pinisi every Friday and Saturday. And LVM, we learn about basic in English. And then we have 3 schedule of LVM. The first schedule is memorize vocabulary, speaking, and practice.
Okay, and where is the location of that several programs? Is that on Rotterdam, for Rotterdam, or?
For Rotterdam.
Oh, for Rotterdam.
Yes.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for BPEC, yeah? Okay, thanks a lot for that. Okay, maybe next, what about you? Okay, please, time is yours.
Okay, thank you very much for giving me a chance. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Waris Bakir, and my friends call me as Aris. So I'm here as English community of Exit, Excellent Islamic Generations. So as my position as vice president, and we have daily activities at front of Unismo, multimedia, bukan multimedia, and daily activities such as discuss and debating. So it starts from 4 p.m. until 6 p.m. And the activities, we should choose one of member who make the topic, the final, not the specific, but general. Such as a politic. We can discuss politic. We can discuss
so everything.
Sport. Yeah, everything. So we choose one of them to make a topic, and then next week we gather at multimedia and discuss also the debating. We have also several class, but it's only for member. Join as a member.
For me, I couldn't enter that.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
It's special class.
Special,
yeah.
Okay.
It's like TOEFL, also writing and speaking, also grammar. Yeah, something like that.
Okay.
Like basic English skill. Yeah. So I think that's all.
Okay, great. Okay, thank you so much for Exit, yeah? Okay, and what about in my right side? Okay, time is yours. Okay, please.
Okay, thank you for the chance. Hello everyone, my name is Rahma Alfiandida Sofa, and you can call me Rachma.
Rachma, okay.
Rachma, yeah. I'm from Universitas Muslim Indonesia, especially in UKM Bahasa.
Oh, I see.
Okay, this is English communities, but actually it's not focusing on English, but also in 3 languages, Indonesian, English, and Arabic.
Okay.
And the activities, we mostly held a meeting club every Thursday evening in campus, especially in a beautiful spot like Taman Firdaus or Kedai Pribumi. And the activities is just discussion about the term of universal, about language, also about literature, or how to make a poem, how to give suggestion or advice, how to write the poem in a beautiful or in the good matter.
Okay,
something
by the
like
way,
that.
who could enter that community? Every people or just in your college?
Not only in Faculty of Letters, but
Mhm.
also every students in UMI could
Oh, I
join
see.
this community.
Just students in UMI.
Yeah.
What
just
about
student in UMI.
outside? Like
Can.
me or several people here?
We can.
Uh-huh.
You can join it. Sorry.
Oh, okay, I see. Okay.
Maybe that's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much for that. And what about you? Okay, please.
Okay, thank you. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Aliananda Mutia. I'm from English Youth Community,
Okay.
but people usually call it EUC.
You see.
Yeah.
Okay.
So in our community, we're not only learn English, but we teach English.
Oh, I see. Not only learn but also teach English. Okay, and then.
And we have several programs. First program is free meeting. So free meeting, we do it once a month,
Okay.
twice a month. Sorry.
Twice a month.
In free meeting, it's open for anyone who wants to learn English.
Okay.
So, and the second program is intensive meeting. Intensive meeting, we do it once a month, and it open only for agents of English Youth Community. And the third program is Kampung Binaan.
Oh, I see.
In Kampung Binaan, we teach children who don't have an access to learn English.
Where is the place of Kampung Binaan, by the way?
In one village.
Oh, one of village,
Yeah.
alright. Okay. I mean, is that the different village in each program, or you choose just one village in that program?
Choose just one village.
Oh, just one village.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, that's it from your English communities. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, of course, today or tonight we have English discussion, and the topic is people come and go. Okay, of course, in our life, there is someone or people always come and go. For example, when I was a child or when I was in elementary school, of course, my friends come and go. There is my friend who go, and there is also my friend who come to me. Okay, so I not only I get the past friend, but I also get the new friends. It means people always changing in my life. Okay, talk about this topic. What pop up in your mind if you heard about people come and go? Okay, maybe start from my right side. Okay, start from you.
Okay. Thank you.
okay.
In my opinion, about people come and go is about we discuss or we talk not only about the people but also about the era,
Okay.
about the time, about experience and something like that. And for me, when people go, people also can come. And
Okay,
in my opinion, when I also become people that will come for other people and go from other people and something like that.
Okay.
I think that's all from me.
I mean, what about if someone come to you? Will you feel like happy, or what about if someone go for you? I mean, will you feel like sad? Okay, what do you think about it?
Yeah, I think when I know people come to me, I will feel happy because I will know about them and they will know about me. I will share or I could share my experience or their experience, so I can took the lesson from them.
Oh, I
So,
see.
The lesson that I can learn, that I can become a listener when they sharing with me, and then I also could share my opinion to them or give advice or suggestions. Something like
Okay,
that.
okay, I get your point. That's really tremendously incredible opinion, yeah, because we could get a lesson by each people, each person, right? For example, the vibes of the word, or even like the knowledge also, and also the information. We could get a lot from each people. And yeah, what about you? What do you think about people come and go? What occurs in your mind if you heard about people come and go? Okay.
Okay, in my opinion, people come and go is a phase that it's unavoidable.
Okay.
And I think people, and I think people will come and go from our lives. Like when I was like elementary school, I have a friend who really cares about me.
Okay.
But then when I was about enter junior high school.
Mm-hmm.
She went to other school, and I lost contact with her.
Oh, is that normal? Do you think? Is that normal, or if people come to you and suddenly go? I mean, people changing. What do
Yeah,
you
I
think
think-
about that? Someone or your friend that already gone.
Yeah, I think it's normal.
Oh, it's normal.
because-
Yeah, that's okay for
yeah,
you.
because there are a lot of lesson
Mhm.
we got from there,
Mm-hmm.
and then we can get an information too, and
Okay,
also
uh-huh.
we can be a better person because of that.
Okay, I see. So, of course, it's the same statement. Yeah, of course, we could also get a lot of lesson, and we could change our life, become a better than before because our friend. For example, we have a good person in the past. Sometimes we could learn about what's the things that we could get in that person, right? Okay, okay, that's good opinion. And how about you? What across in your mind if you heard about people come and go?
Okay, I think about our topic today, people come and go.
Mm-hmm.
There is not single person who does not have interest in the world.
Okay. uh-huh.
Can be said, can be said, the people take advantage each other,
Mhm.
whether negative or positive ways. And as long as in my experience,
Mhm.
maybe the people come and go, I think it is normal because the people easily change their character,
Okay,
their
huh?
personality, their behavior, and their influence of various things.
Ah.
And then, so don't really expect much from the
For the people, huh?
and don't trust much the people, and then just to independent in yourself.
Okay, but do you agree if people just come to you because they need something to you?
Yes.
Or do you agree with that?
Yeah.
Okay, it's normal, right?
Yeah, it is normal.
Okay, great. Of course, in our life, right? Of course, people come because of they need something. For example, even your best friend, right? Because they come to you because they need to talk to you, right? That's what I mean about need, right? For example, you come to your teacher, of course, because they need to you. Okay, nice opinion about it. And how about you? What pop up in your mind if you heard about people come and go?
People come and go. Actually, that will happen in
Mhm.
all of people in the world. Yeah.
Okay. Huh?
So, actually, we should, as a human, we believe that if someone come to us, if someone come
Uh-huh.
to among us,
Okay.
oh my God, we, how to say,
Mhm.
should make share. We must share
Uh-huh.
about what he or she didn't have.
Okay. Huh?
So we should share our skill, for example, our
I
information. So
see.
we should make connection.
Uh-huh.
We should make connection. We should sharing, sharing about.
It could be also. It's called collaboration, isn't it?
yeah,
Like
or if
complete each other.
yeah, yeah.
Uh-huh.
If we have a chance, we can collaborate. If
mhm.
we have same visions
Okay.
and same motive, for
Mhm.
example, and if we have same about that,
Okay. Huh?
we can how to say in English, we can together all
I see.
together because we have same
Uh-huh,
vision, for
uh-huh.
example. And actually, in my experience also, I have many, not many, but a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, a little bit. Met someone that actually only for social media, only for
Oh, I see.
sebatas
Uh-huh.
handphone, for
Uh-huh.
example, WhatsApp.
I
for
mean,
example.
you didn't meet in real life, just
yeah,
in phone.
yeah, just in phone
Uh-huh.
because maybe they have some business, for example, and also maybe we don't know what kind of she or he look like.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Yeah, so that we should do is how to say, we should take a chance for that. If, for example, like if you for example,
Uh-huh.
we just meet. I should ask about what I have to do. I should ask what you skill
Okay,
you skill have, and you should share with me, and also I should share to you what I have. Yeah. So
to someone.
Yeah,
Oh, I see.
I welcome with everyone because like when I was joined in volunteer like Indonesia ASEAN Para Games 2018 also, and also ASEAN Para Games in basically organized in Solo in 2022, and also FIFA World Cup volunteer that organized in previous year at December, and I met different culture, different background, and I'm very happy with that because what I didn't know, I know with meet with that person. Yeah, so I think that's very useful if I meet a new people, new person. Yeah, so that is so important.
Okay, thanks a lot for your opinion. Yeah, okay. Yeah, of course we could get advantage and also disadvantage about someone that we meet in, for example, in the future or in the past. Of course, we could learn a lot of things because we already agree that a few of us here, like, we could get like a benefit from someone else, right, to make our life better than before. So yeah, I will ask you question again about your experience that meet with someone else, maybe your friends already have gone, or your best friend, or yeah, maybe start from you. What is your, do you have experience about people come and go in your life? You may mention the name, yeah, if you have friends that have gone or come to you.
Okay. I ever get a experience about people come and go. Maybe when I was say a junior high school and senior high school, I have best friend name is Vikram.
Oh, okay,
Yeah, we
Vikram.
are
Say hi to the Vikram in the camera.
Hi, Vikram. Yeah.
Okay.
We always same class from a junior high school, and then after graduate, senior high school, sorry, and then after graduate, we are same to register from junior high school one of Polowali.
Oh, I see.
And then we are always together, take a part selection Paskibraka provinsi, and then we are always to taking a part, always even science, symmetry, math.
Okay.
And, yeah, and then after graduate, we never meet him.
Oh, I see. So what you feel? Are you sad or you get lost? Your friend?
It's normal, yeah.
Oh, it's normal. I
because
see.
they have goals and I have goals. Yeah, this is mechanism in our life. This is there is phase in our life. We are bonded and they're meeting, and then learn to independent in our life.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
And that's all.
that's the great experience, yeah. Because sometimes we should accept that it's normal, right? People come and go. Even he was our best friend in the past, right? So that's okay. It's normal. Okay, that's great opinion. And what about you? Do you have any experience about people come and go? Maybe your best friend or your friend. Okay, time is yours.
Thank you. So when I was like elementary school, I have a really kind best friend and really cares about me. But when we was about enter junior high school, she went to other school and I lost contact with her. And then when I was about enter my university life, my friends went to other university, and yeah, we still contact each other, but it's not the same as.
I see. It's a different, how to say, feeling, right?
Yeah,
It's a
when we
different
was,
character again,
high
isn't
school.
it?
Yeah.
Okay.
But then thankfully I found someone in my university who has the same interest as me, and yeah, thankfully now I became friends with her.
Oh, I see. Become a best friend?
Yes.
I mean, what about the character? I mean, is it the same with your best friend previously, or it's totally different?
Yes, it's kind of same,
Mm-hmm.
but there are kind of different from her.
Okay, I see. So, are you happy with someone else that come to you?
Yeah, of course, but I think when new people come to me, I think I will little bit
Mhm.
awkward
Mhm.
because I'm so awkward when I met new people.
Oh, I see. Okay, okay, that's great statement, yeah. Okay, keep your statement. Okay, next to the next speaker. And what about you? Do you have experience when people come and go? Maybe your friends or your best friend? Okay, time is yours.
Okay, I have experienced when I was junior high school.
Mm-hmm.
I moved from from my province to my other province. Like I'm from Java.
Oh, you're
So-
from Java.
Okay, so my junior high school is in Central Java,
Mhm.
and then I moved to East Java.
Mhm.
Yeah, at that time, I'm so sad. I feel
Oh,
sad because
okay.
I have to leave my teacher.
Uh-huh.
This is my English teacher. Yeah, she is my best English teacher I've ever known before,
Okay,
because she always teach me about life.
Mm,
Why?
I
Because
see.
when I was junior high school, she always asked me to join English competition, such
Okay.
as speech or storytelling, and so I have much time to spend with her.
Okay.
So that's why she always gave me motivation about life. So when I met her
Mm-hmm.
for the last time to say goodbye,
Okay.
I feel sad because I don't know what will I face in my new place, especially in East Java,
Mhm.
because maybe I will face new culture, new
Mhm.
language,
Mhm.
how to speak Java language, because in Central Java and East Java
It's
are
different languages.
Yeah, different language, how to speak, how to understand another people
Mhm.
say it. So that's why I felt like maybe she is my role model for me
Okay.
to motivate me to adaptation
Mhm.
in my new environment in East Java about culture and language. So
Okay.
that's why I always ask her, how about this, ma'am? How about this? And she always give me advice.
Even
and
right now, you always ask her.
No,
Oh,
right
I
now
see.
I feel like I'm so embarrassed to
Mhm.
contact her, but I know he always share me something that I really motivate, especially
Oh,
about
okay.
writing
Mhm.
to build my writing skill, especially in English or even Indonesian language.
Okay.
I think that's all.
But what about right now? Do you have a new teacher?
Oh yeah, I have new teacher.
I mean, the best teacher, yeah? Like your teacher previously.
Okay, yeah, I know. In my senior high school, I
Mhm.
met him. He is my English teacher that also motivate me how to make a decision when I
Oh, I
make
see.
confused, really confused to choose my subject or my major when I decide to continue my study in university.
Okay.
So, but I also feel embarrassed to contact him. But when I go to my hometown, I will go to his house to
Get motivated again.
no,
Oh,
not
no,
get motivated.
okay.
That's just to get in contact, keep in
Mhm.
touch with
Okay.
him.
Okay,
Okay,
just
I
talk
think that's all.
talk about everything, right?
Yeah,
You talk about your experience or something else, right?
of course.
Okay, that's great experience, yeah, and also unforgettable moment actually because you share about your experience previously about your teacher, and yeah, what about in my left side? Okay, but before that, keep your statement because we'll break after this. 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. So we are back again. So yeah, let's continue the question. Yeah, what is your experience when people come and go? Okay, do you have experience about it?
Yeah, of course, I have experience, several
Mhm.
experience. The first one when I was junior high school, because I start from my junior high school at
Okay,
Bandung, West
Mhm.
Java, and I have a friend, only one friend, that I remember that he the first time
Okay,
introduced himself to me,
Mhm.
namely he's Zahir,
Uh-huh.
because he from Bandung,
Okay,
West Java, and when I start open my communications, I feel like how to say in English, nyambung. Nyambung communication. All of the topic, because
you are in the same frequency.
Same frequency. All of the topic, like all politics, for example, because junior high school,
I see.
And also about extracurricular ex-school, we have ex-school guitar, and also pramuka, we have some organizations, OSIS also. And when I joined at my senior high school, we have also a same school. We have same organizations, OSIS also pramuka. And that I remember my first time is I feel like I should make him as my best friend. It started from when my bike broken in several street in on the street. He came to me and he repaired my bicycle, and I think that he welcome also, and I start my communications. So when I how to say goodbye, because when I senior high school, I actually how to say calm person.
I see.
So I didn't talk too
like
much.
Introvert, isn't it?
Yeah. I only talk and speak talk to him that I should back to my village in Makassar, and she said he said that good luck to you, and I hope you have good good career, for example, you have good IPK, he said also, and that's very 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 thankful, and I say to I hope he
just ahead to the camera,
I hope that I hope thank you so much for your word that I actually did it. Actually I keep my IPK still normal, still something like that. And also I have actually my how to say my volunteer friends. It start from ASEAN Para Games. I meet him, namely is Akil. He was from Yogyakarta, and I open my communication with him because that I said before, we have same frequency. He very welcome. He very welcomes, and also he open-minded, and we discuss all topic. He how to say istilahnya
in the same frequency.
Same frequency, nyambung gitu. And when the event finish in ASEAN Para Games 2018, which organized in Jakarta, we meet again in 2022 in Solo. In Solo. We meet. I met him, but we have different divisions. But basically, after the event, maybe me and him like how to say deep talk, for example.
Deep talk.
We sharing what happened in my
your life,
what happened in his life, and what how to say what information, what knowledge they have, and what knowledge that I have also. So every moment that I remember that he very how to say a positive person, because he always say that you should take a master degree, you should take something like that in education. So and then after the ASEAN Para Games in Solo finished, we meet again in FIFA World Cup.
You always
meet him
in
always,
every single event.
And I'm shocked that because he didn't tell me. He didn't tell me. And when I meet him, I very like, really? This is our first time we met. Gitu. So he also shocked because he didn't expect it that I join in the event, because it's far from
your hometown.
My hometown, my village. So and also that you very he said that you very how to say, you very have a spirit in volunteer area. So I have, and I said, that's my
that's your passion.
passions for this year. And after that we also when the event finished, we back
you back together.
and when before I back to my village, he said, you should come to Yogyakarta, and he facilitated the place, also all of the facilitate food or something, and he invited me to go in how to say in gunung, some mountain in Yogyakarta. Merapi.
Oh,
yeah,
I see.
yeah.
So you're like climbing also, right?
Yeah. Vulcan.
Okay.
So I'm very thankful with Akil. So I think it's very sad when I back to my village, because we didn't meet again. And we said, and they said, we hope, and he said that we should meet in next volunteer, especially in FIFA volunteer in 2026. FIFA volunteer Piala Dunia di tahun 2026 in America.
Oh, so, great.
So I said that let's see.
Okay.
or we can or not.
Wow.
I think that's all.
Okay, you get a lot of friends, you get a lot of like even friends from volunteer. I think you are volunteerism, okay, because you get best friend from that event. Okay, so let's jump to the next question. You know what occurs in my mind on this discussion about people come and go. Guys, what you feel when there is someone come and there is someone go? Okay, I mean, will you feel sad, or you will met to that someone who has gone, or will you like close to someone that come to you? What do you think about it? Maybe start from my left side. Okay, time is yours.
I think about people come and go. I think that it is normal, just so because everything we have just give to Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala, and everything we have will leave us. And then just independent and don't really much from the people. If you don't much expect from the people, you will disappointed in yourself.
Oh, I see.
And then about people come and go, more understanding of important our own field.
So what about right now? Do you have like a best friend, or you don't have a best friend?
No.
Oh, you don't have a best friend right now.
Yes.
Okay, why? Are you decided to don't have a best friend, or you don't? I mean, people don't come to you. Okay,
Because
what do you think?
I never get the frequency.
Oh, I see. Yeah, it's too difficult sometimes, right? To get one frequency. By the way, talk about frequency. Do you think we have a best friend based on frequency, or based on what we get a best friend?
Frequency is maybe frequency about goals.
Oh, I see.
Yes. Frequency about the character. Yes, just
okay, goals and character.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much for your nice your nice statement about what you feel when there is someone come to you and there is someone go. Of course it's normal, right? I mean, we couldn't control that someone who gonna go in your life or someone come to you, because that's not our control, right? So of course that's okay. Okay, thanks a lot for that. And what about you? What you feel when someone come to you, and what you feel when someone go? Okay.
So when someone leave, I think I would be really sad.
Okay.
But then I realized that people come and go, and you can control that.
Okay.
And then you can like make them stay forever by your side.
Okay. And what about if you have like relationship with your best friend? I mean, start from your elementary school till college students. Will you met to her or met to him because they go, or what do you think about it? I mean, will you like don't go? Okay.
So I think if someone want to leave me, I think I will find someone else.
Oh, you will find someone else. Okay.
Yeah, because I can force them to stay by my side forever.
Okay.
Like, right now.
Okay, and what about right now? Do you have like a best friend now?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. And what about if your best friend now go? Will you find the other best friend?
I think yeah.
Oh.
Or I think
Okay.
I think just by myself. I will do something by myself.
Okay, but do you believe if someone do you believe there is someone loyal to you, or you don't believe it that?
I don't really believe that.
Oh, okay.
Because, yeah.
Okay, that's it. Yeah. Okay.
that's
Thank
it.
you so
Thank
much
you.
for your experience too. Yeah. Of course. You just I mean, find new friends again, because there are a lot of people in this world, right?
Yes.
Okay. No need. Said more about it.
Yeah.
Okay. Great. And how about you? Do you have like? What about if people come to you, and what about if people go? Okay. What do you think about it?
Okay, I have been tested all I can handle.
Okay.
And about people come and go, it's when people come to me, I will be happy, of course, right?
Okay.
Because yeah, I can get experience from them, and I can sharing my experience to them. And how about people go on leave?
Yeah.
Leave from
Will
me?
you like don't go, please stay here?
No.
Or what's
I will,
going on?
I will let them go
Uh-huh.
because maybe this is their decision or their journey, how to continue their life. Not only with me, but also another people would come to them and teach them lessons. And
Okay.
of course, I will be missing them,
Oh,
right?
okay.
And when I feel like I really miss the people that leaves me, I will keep in touch with them by contact or find another their social media, like in Instagram, or contact my friends. Do you know his number or her number?
Okay.
Would-
Oh, you still
I-
find it, yeah, right? You still
I
find
try
it.
to find it to contact them, and also when I come to their hometown, or maybe in my childhood town, I will come to their house to
Okay,
just meet them.
Okay,
I
so
think
you
that's
still
all.
like come to your friend that already gone, right?
Yeah.
So what about if there is someone said to you like this, because this is phenomena in college students, right? That don't graduate first. We should graduate together. So and then finally she graduate first. So what do you think about that kind of situation?
Okay, if that
Will you,
happened, for me, it's not something that I have to deal with.
Okay.
Why? Because when we want to finish our study, it's ourselves.
Okay.
We can handle it.
Mhm.
And about our friends that maybe they promise us that
Yeah.
we should
Yeah.
graduate it together. I can't believe it.
Okay, you can't believe it.
I can keep in touch the promise because I know maybe I will be in the first, right?
Okay.
Will be the first to graduate first. And how about my friends? I can't say sorry to them, and maybe they
Okay.
will feel disappointed with me, and also I will feel disappointed with them when I try to trust or believe them about their promise to graduate it together.
Okay, yeah,
Okay.
okay, that's great, yeah. Okay, of course, that's not a big deal if someone said to you like that, right? Okay, and how about you? How you face that problem if there is someone come to you and there is someone go? Okay, what do you think about it?
Actually, for someone come with me and want to make how to say friend connections, for example.
Okay.
The first time that I should do is I should know how to say sampai mana.
Okay.
He will sampai mana. How to say orang ini mau berteman, for example. And actually, I also should how to say melayani sampai mananya itu.
Service that
service, yeah, yeah,
person.
yeah. When he start to like help me in private, for
Okay.
example, I should also help help him or her in private also.
So you always remain the kindness
Yeah.
your friend given to you.
I should reaction, not action.
Okay.
So, and if so, when the first time I should keep my my personality private.
Okay.
And if he or she start to help my problems in private, I should do also.
Okay.
I should do what I should fix his or
Problem,
her problems.
What about if there is someone like hurt you? Hurts. Will you hurts back? Or no? Or that's okay.
Yeah, of course not.
Of course not.
Yeah,
okay.
of course not. Because I like how to say bilang begitu paling sifatnya gitu.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, I read you. Okay.
Yeah. I know you.
I know you.
Maybe next time I didn't want to know you,
okay,
or meet you, for example, because I'm not actually the extrovert person. Because I actually like menilai menilai seseorang, and I actually be quiet. I'm not like you are so annoying, you are so stupid.
Okay.
I'm not like that.
Just the kindness that you will.
Yeah. But if someone for example like hurt us or hurt me, for example, and they want to like say goodbye, for example, I actually like goodbye, and I keep still smile, for example. But actually in my
hurt? In your deep hurt.
No. Like just go.
Okay.
Like that. Yeah. So. And when someone go, it's depend on what your peranan in my life. So when semakin dalam your peranmu in my life, I actually will say thank you. Sebesar apapun saya akan berterima kasih. Seperti itu. Yeah. So like if like some only of just friends, for example, goodbye.
Okay, that's okay.
Yeah. If my say you are my best friend, I should do my best for you, for how to say perpisahan gitu. So I think
okay, that's great too. Yeah, because it depend on what a person contribute to us, right? Of course, we will feel like, he really contributes too much to me. So that's why I feel sad when he go, for example. Okay, perhaps I would like to hear about your closing statement about this topic today. It's people come and go. Start from you. Okay, time is yours.
Okay.
Okay.
People come and go.
Okay.
When people come, time pull you.
Okay.
When people go, time push you.
Oh,
Okay.
I see.
When people, when they come, the push is we can talk about love, relationship,
Okay.
time, lessons, suggestions, something like that. And when people go, the push time from them is about the lessons that we get, or the task that we get from the people that go from us.
Okay, wow.
Thank you.
What a good motivation, yeah. Okay, thanks a lot for that. And how about you? Do you have any closing statement or suggestion maybe? Okay, time is yours.
For closing statement, actually when someone come to me as a new person,
Okay.
I believe that you will go. You never stay stay in my side. So actually I didn't how to say think a lot, or maybe how to say that think a lot about you, for example, and force you to stay in my side, for example. I actually didn't expect much. I didn't expect much because how to say di mana ada pertemuan di situ ada perpisahan.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, something
It's
like that.
normal.
It's very
yeah.
normal.
Yeah, it's very
And,
normal.
Yeah, di mana ada kesadangan.
Same
di
with
situ
our
pada
meeting
situ.
today, of course.
Yeah.
We meet and then we will
We'll
go.
go. Kita pasti.
Okay.
So we happy when someone's come to us, and we sad when someone's go.
Okay, will you
Yeah.
sad if all of us go?
And depend on what you contribute.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think just that. Thank you.
Okay, that's great closing statement, about your perspective about people come and go. Okay, thanks a lot for that. And how about you, please? Do you have any closing statement or quotes, maybe, or motivation or suggestion for us?
This
Closing statement, huh?
our topic today, maybe there is passage in our life, there is meeting and there is separation in our life.
Okay,
and that will definitely happen.
Mm-hmm.
And then about people come and go, we more understanding about the character.
Okay,
And the people easily change their character, and then yeah, that's it.
Yeah, okay. So yeah, what character do you think that it's same frequency in your life? Okay, in your perspective, yeah, in your whole life. Okay, what character do you think?
What character is
Uh-huh.
maybe
Is that like always angry to you or humble person or
smart,
oh smart?
Yes.
Okay, and then what else?
good thinking,
Uh-huh.
and then they're thinking about democracy.
Oh, I
because
see. Yeah, okay.
I'm from Laos,
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
and then
Okay.
I like to yeah,
Like talk about law.
yes,
Okay, so I mean the characteristic of your best friend, of course, they should understand about law, right?
yeah,
Okay, so that is the characteristic of your best friend.
yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay, thank you so much for your nice closing statement. Yeah, of course, we have like our own value to value someone, for example, right? For example, it should be like this. It should be like this. Okay, I don't want to become a friend of someone, for example, arrogant, for example, or someone like always angry or mad or how to say, close mindset, of course, right? Toxic too, of course. Okay, and how about you? What is your closing statement, or it could be motivation, or yeah, whatever that you want to say in this closing statement?
So from
Mhm.
our discussion today,
Okay.
I can conclude that people come and go. It's not just about people come and go from
Okay,
your lives, but it's about giving you a lesson
Okay.
to become a stronger
Okay.
and to become a better person.
Okay, that's great.
That's
Yeah, before we try to close this meeting, so maybe one or two word, okay, about these people come and go. Okay, do you have one or two word about this one? Maybe start from my left side. Okay, one or two word that you want to say. Okay. Okay, start from you. Okay, time is yours.
Maybe wonderful.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, great. Thank you so much. Okay, and how about you, please?
One word, two word.
Yeah,
three word?
one till two word. Okay.
Yeah. So I hope you guys meet again.
Okay. Well, I hope you guys meet again. It's more than two.
Yeah, yeah, more than that. That's fine. That's
Okay,
fine.
that's fine. Okay, that's okay. Okay, that's great. And what about in my right side? Okay, one till two word.
Meet you ready?
Okay, meet you.
Meet you ready.
Meet you ready. Okay, that's great. And how about you, please?
I think it's an avoidable experience.
Okay, an available experience. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. The listener on YouTube or Spotify or on radio. Okay, thank you so much for watching us in this Smart Up Your Life 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Okay, say bye bye to the camera. Bye bye.